We begin tonight with an exclusive Fox 17 investigation uncovering a legal loophole, putting convicted drunk drivers back out there on the road with you and your family.
Fox 17's Jen French discovered that even after several DUI convictions, these drunk drivers are still on the road long after they should have their driver's licenses revoked.
Scott, Stacy, even repeat DUI offenders can strike a deal, pleading guilty to a lesser charge. I discovered a handful of offenders with 4, 5, even 7 DUI convictions. And their most recent ones, they pleaded guilty to get a misdemeanor.
I have the newspaper clipping, which is yellowed.
Even after 2 decades, Helene Skelly can't forget the day a drunk driver took her 23-year-old brother's life.
After he hit Chris in that intersection, he continued through the intersection and hit 2 cars.
The drunk driver who killed Chris Conister had 3 DUI convictions before this deadly crash. Fox 17 asked, how are habitual offenders able to continue to get behind the wheel? A 3rd DUI conviction means losing your license for at least 6 years. But we found plenty of multiple DUI offenders still on the road.
You ain't following it, Bubba. You ain't following it.
I see it.
But you ain't following it with your eyes, okay?
I'm fine.
Michael Preston's DUI conviction in 2005, or his 5th, did not result in a felony conviction. Instead, he pleaded to a 3rd DUI offense, a misdemeanor, not a felony, and served 120 days in jail. Tennessee law makes a 4th conviction a felony, meaning a 1-year jail sentence and losing your license for 8 years. But in 2005, he lost his license for 3 years.
I don't like doing the blood thing.
Okay, well, you're going to have to, okay? Because state law says you have been convicted before.
This 2012 stop turned into Michael Preston's 6th DUI conviction. Court records reveal a judge convicted Preston of a DUI first offense. His penalty, 10 days in jail and a $350 fine. He lost his license for a year. It kept Preston off the road for 1 year, but Metro Police arrested and charged him with DUI again last March. We showed up to Preston's court date, but his attorney asked for a continuance, and Preston stayed in the parking garage. How does this happen? Fox 17 went to Davidson County Assistant District Attorney Kyle Anderson for answers.
So even if someone has had a number of DUIs, their 5th or 6th could still be pled as a DUI second.
It could be.
Remember, a 4th DUI conviction is a felony. But Fox 17 found some repeat offenders with more than 4 DUIs who have never been convicted of a felony DUI. Metro Police arrested 44-year-old Shannon Carlton for DUI 4 times in just a year. Each time, she and her attorney pleaded to a DUI first offense. A judge ordered Carlton to not drive after her last 3 convictions. In the case of 29-year-old Ashley Stanley, court records show 5 DUI convictions since 2005. Again, no felony DUI convictions, only misdemeanors.
There are a few ways that could happen. It could be a mistake.
Assistant District Attorney Anderson says it's possible a prosecutor didn't read the prior convictions correctly or a clerk didn't transfer them. Also, only DUI convictions from the last 10 years count when upping your charge.
Many cases will fall in that area where it's a good solid arrest, but it's not strong enough proof. Not that anybody did anything wrong, it's simply not strong enough proof to take it to trial beyond a reasonable doubt.
This was his high school picture.
There's no doubt in Helene Skelly's mind that her brother would still be alive if the 1st, 2nd, or 3rd DUI conviction had kept her brother's killer from getting behind a wheel. While convicted drunk drivers keep getting second chances, Kelly must live with the fact that Chris had just 1 chance at life.
The Davidson County District Attorney's Office says the state of Tennessee has made an effort to crack down on repeat offenders. Now officers can file search warrants for blood alcohol levels. In the studio, Jen French, Fox 17 News.